Okay. This is where it happens. We're about to do what they're doing. Bad time to ask how long you've been doing this, and don't tell me you stayed at a Motel 6 last night. This is your first time.
It is. We just got back this morning from Pennsylvania doing it.
Oh,
I've been doing it for about 2 years.
2 years.
It was a 3-day event, and then we decided to come here because it's on the island.
Yeah. Oh, there's a whole
Come
story with that.
support the cause and all of that.
Well, they know, but I've been pushing the story out here. I think we need this kind of a vet place, you know,
Absolutely.
out here. The drifting, the go-kart, the drag racing,
Absolutely.
car shows. It's all good. And
Something for motorsports, baby.
yeah, it adds to a lot of different things. All right, here we go. Ready? Holy moly. On we go. What a ride! Oh man, I'll probably really know the details later, but thank you everybody for that one. And of course my driver over here. If you ever need an Uber, you call in this guy. Well done, my friend. Fantastic.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. That was an experience and a half.